Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of tuna to bring you the top recommendations you need to try. Whether you're a health enthusiast or just love a good tuna sandwich, we've got you covered. We'll be exploring a range of brands, from those leading in sustainability to those delivering on pure, unadulterated flavor. We're talking about the kind of tuna that'll make you want to ditch those soggy sandwiches and elevate your culinary game. So buckle up, because we're about to embark on a flavor journey that'll have you saying, bloody brilliant. Get ready to discover your new go-to tuna brand. Right, you lot, listen up. Today we're diving into the world of sustainable seafood, and trust me, you don't want to miss this. First on the chopping block is Wild Planet Albacore Wild Tuna. This isn't just any tuna, it's a game changer. This brand isn't messing about when it comes to sustainability. They are setting the gold standard. They're committed to using fishing methods that minimize the impact on the ocean and its inhabitants. It's all about preserving marine life for future generations. We're talking about responsible sourcing, the kind that would make even the most hardened environmentalists crack a smile. It's a win-win for everyone. And don't even get me started on the mercury levels. Wild Planet takes rigorous steps to ensure their tuna is safe and healthy. Wild Planet knows you want your tuna without the heavy metals, so they go above and beyond to ensure their product is as pure as can be. It's peace of mind in a can. But let's get down to what really matters, the taste. This isn't just any tuna, it's a culinary delight. This tuna is the real deal. It's versatile and can elevate any dish, from salads to gourmet meals. It's got that rich, meaty flavor that'll make your taste buds sing. It's a symphony of flavors in every bite. It's not dry or crumbly like some of the other sad excuses for tuna out there. This is premium quality. This is the kind of tuna that deserves a Michelin star. It's chef approved and ready to impress. And don't think for a minute that this is just some fancy pants option for health nuts. It's for everyone who loves good food. Wild Planet is packed with omega-3 fatty acids, the good kind of fat that your brain and body will thank you for. It's nutrition you can feel good about. It's a favorite among dietitians, and for good reason. It's a smart choice for a balanced diet. They're not cutting corners, and neither should you. Quality matters, and Wild Planet delivers. So, next time you're at the store, ditch that budget brand, and grab yourself a can of Wild Planet. You won't regret it. It's a small change that makes a big difference. Next up, we've got American Tuna, a brand that's as committed to quality as I am to a perfectly cooked steak. These guys are all about using pole and line caught methods. That means each fish is caught individually, reducing bycatch and minimizing damage to the marine environment. They're not just paying lip service to sustainability, they're living it. And if that wasn't enough, American Tuna has a traceability system that's so tight, you'd think it was guarded by MI6. You can trace your tuna back to the very boat it was caught on. Now that's what I call transparency. But enough about their ethics, let's talk taste. American Tuna comes in a variety of flavors, each one more delicious than the last. Whether you're a purist who likes it plain or you prefer a bit of a kick, they've got something to tickle your fancy. And hold on to your hats, folks, because American Tuna boasts the highest omega-3 content among all the tuna brands out there. That's right, this stuff is practically brain food. So, if you're looking for a tuna that's good for you, good for the planet, and tastes absolutely bloody brilliant, then look no further than American Tuna. Now let's talk about Safe Catch Elite Pure Wild Tuna, the brand that's put mercury in its place. This isn't just any tuna, it's a game changer in the world of seafood. These guys take safety seriously, and they're not afraid to show it. Their commitment to quality is evident in every step of their process. Every single tuna that bears the Safe Catch name is tested for mercury. Yes, you heard that right, every single one. That's right, every single one. They leave no room for error, ensuring that what you get is the safest tuna possible. They don't just do random checks, they're committed to ensuring that their tuna meets the highest standards of purity. This rigorous testing sets them apart from the competition. And the result? Safe Catch consistently comes in well below the FDA's recommended limit for mercury. This means you can enjoy your tuna without any worries. Talk about peace of mind. Knowing that your food is safe makes every meal more enjoyable. But it's not just about safety with Safe Catch. There's more to this brand than meets the eye. They're also committed to sustainable fishing practices. This means they care about the environment as much as they care about your health. They source their tuna from managed fisheries that prioritize the health of the ocean and its inhabitants. This ensures that future generations can enjoy the bounty of the sea. So, you can feel good about your purchase knowing that you're not contributing to overfishing or harming the environment. It's a win-win for you and the planet. And let's not forget about the taste. Safe Catch tuna is not only safe and sustainable but also incredibly delicious. Safe Catch tuna is delicious with a clean, fresh flavor that's perfect for sandwiches, salads, or straight out of the can. It's versatile and can be used in a variety of dishes. It's the kind of tuna that'll make you feel good inside and out. Every bite is a testament to their commitment to quality and taste. And to top it all off, Safe Catch has earned the seal of approval from the American Pregnancy Association. This is a huge endorsement that speaks volumes about their safety standards. That's right, expectant mothers can enjoy this tuna knowing that it's safe for them and their little ones. It's a brand that truly cares about all its consumers, from the youngest to the oldest. Listen up, because we're about to enter the realm of indulgence with StarKist E.V.O.O solid white albacore tuna. Now I know what you're thinking. Gordon, isn't StarKist a bit ordinary? And you're right, they're a household name. But don't let that fool you, because their E.V.O.O variety is in a league of its own. First off, let's address the elephant in the room. This tuna is packed in extra virgin olive oil, which means it's got a higher fat content than some of the other options on our list. But hold your horses before you go running for the hills. We're talking about healthy fats here, the kind that add flavor and keep you feeling satisfied. And let's be honest, a little bit of fat never hurt anyone, especially when it tastes this good. Now, I'm not gonna lie, the sodium content is a bit on the higher side, but here's the thing, everything in moderation, right? This tuna is so flavorful that a little goes a long way. Plus, it's packed with protein and omega-3 fatty acids, making it a well-balanced choice. The richness of the albacore, combined with the delicate flavor of the olive oil, creates a symphony of taste that'll have you licking your plate clean. And finally, we've arrived at the creme de la creme, the Rolls-Royce of Tuna Genova Premium Albacore Tuna in olive oil. This isn't just any tuna, it's a statement, a testament to what premium quality truly means. This, my friends, is not your average can of tuna. This is an experience, a journey into the world of gourmet seafood that will redefine your expectations. From the moment you open the can, you're greeted with a beautiful, glistening piece of fish that's practically begging to be devoured. The sight alone is enough to make your mouth water. The texture is unlike anything you've ever experienced. It's a visual and tactile delight, promising a taste that will live up to its appearance. It's firm yet tender, flaky yet meaty. Each bite is a perfect balance, offering a complexity that is rare in canned seafood. It's the kind of tuna that melts in your mouth, leaving you wanting more. The sensation is almost ethereal, a melt-in-your-mouth experience that is both satisfying and tantalizing. And the flavor? Oh, the flavor! It's an explosion of taste that dances on your palate. The rich, buttery taste of the albacore is perfectly complemented by the delicate olive oil, creating a flavor combination that's simply divine. It's a harmonious blend that elevates the tuna to a whole new level. This is tuna for those who appreciate the finer things in life. It's for the connoisseurs, the gourmands, and anyone who values quality over quantity. It's perfect for a sophisticated salad, a gourmet pasta dish, or any culinary creation that demands the best ingredients. Or simply enjoyed on its own with a sprinkle of sea salt and a squeeze of lemon. Sometimes the simplest preparations allow the true quality of the tuna to shine through. Now I know what you're thinking. Gordon, this all sounds very fancy, but what about the price? Is it really worth it? And you're right. Genova is a bit more expensive than some of the other options on our list. But let me tell you, the quality and experience it offers are unparalleled. But trust me, it's worth every penny. This isn't just a purchase, it's an investment in your culinary journey. This is an investment in your taste buds. A culinary experience that you won't soon forget. It's a taste that lingers. A memory that stays with you. So if you're looking to elevate your tuna game and treat yourself to something truly special, then Genova Premium Albacore Tuna in olive oil is the way to go. It's more than just tuna. It's a celebration of flavor, texture, and quality. So there you have it, folks. 5 fantastic tuna brands that are sure to impress even the most discerning palate. Whether you prioritize sustainability, purity, or simply crave exceptional flavor and quality, there's a tuna out there for you. Remember, life's too short for bland, boring food, so ditch those tired old tuna brands and upgrade to something truly delicious and satisfying. Your taste buds will thank you for it. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more food recommendations and reviews. See you next time.